Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we have a lot of work to do, but do not worry, it is good work. Today, we are going to clean the house. In English, we call this housework or chores. Repeat after me. Chores. Chores are the jobs we do to keep our home clean. Some people do not like cleaning. They think it is boring. But I think cleaning can be relaxing. It is nice to take care of your home. Look around. My house is a little bit messy. Messy means disorganized, dirty. Look at the floor. It is dusty. Look at the table. It has papers on it. Look at the sofa. The pillows are on the floor. We need to fix this. We need to make it tidy. Tidy means clean and organized. To clean, we need tools. We need a broom. We need a mop. We need a vacuum cleaner. And we need cleaning spray. Are you ready to help me? Let's start with the clothes. First, let's go to the laundry room. Do you see this pile of clothes? This is dirty laundry. I have t-shirts, socks, and towels. I need to wash them. I have a machine. It is a washing machine. I open the door. I put the dirty clothes inside. But wait, we must be careful. We must separate the colors. White clothes go with white clothes. Dark clothes go with dark clothes. If you mix them, your white socks might turn pink. Now, I need soap. For clothes, we call the soap detergent. I pour the liquid detergent into the machine. It smells like lavender. Then I press the button. Click. The machine starts to spin. Swish, swish, swish. It sounds like the ocean. While the machine is working, let's talk about drying. When the clothes are wet, we must dry them. Some people use a dryer. It is a machine. But today it is sunny, so I will hang my clothes outside. I use a clothesline, and I use clothespins to hold the clothes. The wind and the sun will dry them. They will smell fresh. Now, let's move to the kitchen. The kitchen gets dirty very fast. Look at the sink. Oh no, the sink is full of dirty dishes. Plates, cups, forks, and spoons. We need to wash them. I put on my rubber gloves. My gloves are yellow. They protect my hands from the hot water. I turn on the tap. The water flows. Whoosh! I need a sponge. Repeat after me. Sponge. The sponge has two sides, a soft side and a rough side. I put dish soap on the sponge. I squeeze it. Look at the bubbles. There are so many bubbles. I pick up a plate. I scrub it round and round. I wash the front and the back. Then I rinse it with water. Now the plate is clean. It is shiny. I put it on the drying rack. After the dishes, I clean the counter. The counter is the table where we cook. I take a cloth, I spray some cleaner, and I wipe. I wipe away the crumbs. I wipe away the coffee stains. Now the kitchen sparkles. The kitchen is clean. The laundry is washing. Now we must clean the living room. Look at the floor. There is dust and dog hair. We need to remove it. If you have a carpet or a rug, you use a vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner is a machine that sucks up dirt. It is loud. Vroom. I push the vacuum back and forth, back and forth. It eats all the dust. If you have a hard floor, like wood or tile, you use a broom. I take the broom and I sweep. To sweep is the verb. I sweep the dust into a pile. Then I use a dustpan to pick it up, and I throw it in the trash can. Trash can or bin. Finally, we must dust. Look at the bookshelf. Look at the TV. There is a thin layer of gray dust. I use a feather duster. It is soft. I gently wipe the books. I gently wipe the TV. I do not want to break anything. Now the air feels cleaner. Can you feel it? It is easier to breathe. We are almost finished. The washing machine has stopped. The clothes are dry. Now we have one last chore. Folding. I take the clean clothes. They are warm and they smell so good. I take a t-shirt. I fold the sleeves. I fold it in half. I make a neat pile. This is meditative. It is quiet. I put the clothes into the drawers. Everything has a place. Now, look at the house. The floors are clean. The dishes are done. The clothes are folded. The house is tidy. How do you feel? I feel tired, but happy. When the house is clean, my mind is clean. Now, I deserve a reward. I will sit on the sofa. I will light a candle. The candle smells like vanilla, and I will read a book. Thank you for helping me clean today. You did a great job. Chores are not so bad when we do them together. Do you help clean your house? Do you wash the dishes or do you sweep the floor? Tell me in the comments. Remember these words: broom, mop, vacuum, sponge, laundry. Practice them this week. Please like the video and subscribe. See you next episode. Bye-bye.